22. We have our relative strength index set to default, commodity channel index set to default, both indicators. We buy and sell when they're either above or under their respective halfway points. So you can see 50 here, 5 here. We wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to buy or sell, and we wait. Right? This is how the method works. You trade if 2 loses, then you do 4. If 4 loses, then you do 9, 19, 41, 87, 184. This gives way for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losses in a row, which is quite impossible, especially when you trade following your indicators. It is impossible to lose all those times in a row. When you trade following the indicators, when session changes moving, which the session changes, the markets move from 8 to, let's say, 2 every day. So if you trade from that time every day, you'll be good. And so here we sell for 2 because both our CCI and RSI are under their respective halfway points. We go up to 4 and we wait. We're only trading the EUR USD pair binary, which we should move to digital because digital gives you more profits. Where's EUR USD? Alright, we'll go to digital and we wait. Right, so let's wait for this option straight to finish. Right, it's going to win. Alright, so that's a dub, that's binary though, so we move back to digital options because digital has more profits at this time, 93%, while binary has 83%, a whole 10% difference. So yes, so you wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline and we do what the indicators say. Both indicators are above their respective halfway point, so we buy. If 2 loses, we do 4. 4 gives you back here $2 plus a dollar, and I'm not sure how much cents. Gives you back here $2 plus $1.73 profit. So yeah, we wait. This trade is about to win, which is 10 cents more than our last. Right. Last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. CCI RSI. Wait until they're either above or under their respective halfway points, and we buy or sell. Buy here for 2, go up to 4, and we wait. It's okay, this movement is okay. We started at, let's say, 9:30, so we'll stop at 9:50 or 10 o'clock. You can trade for as long as you want. I'm just trading for the video. Right. So nice. That's another dub. So again, RSI, relative strength index, commodity challenge index, both set to default, right? They're above the halfway points, you buy. If they're under the halfway points, you sell. So both indicators are above the halfway points, we buy for $2. And the idea is to stick low, right? Stay low. Have enough so that you will be able to combat the market if the market fights back. Right. This on screen is what I'm using. So if 2 loses, I'll do 4. If 4 loses, I'll do 9, 19, 41, 87, 184, so on and so forth. So yeah, we have 5 wins in a row, which is very good. Shows the indicators are working, but they lose. And me personally, I'm waiting for the losses. So we sell here because both indicators are under their respective halfway points. Move up to 4 and we wait. Yeah, they lose. So which is good. This is good. This is about to win again. We did it. That's also good. So we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. Right? If both indicators are above their halfway points, we buy. If they're under the halfway points, we sell. Simply put, this would be going up, this would be breaking through because this is what this is. This isn't some crazy doobie, this is just a. So you already know that that's breaking through, right? Even if it doesn't break through, we do 9. And I wanted to lose, so I'll show you the amounts of profits we gain from when we do 9, right? Nice, that's a nice loss. 4 and 2 is 6, right? You see 9 gives you back $6 plus your $2.39, which is a very amazing thing. Infinite trading method. Easy trading. So we then sell here for 9 and we wait. So yes. They say we're going to trade until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna trade for 20 minutes and then call it quits. Right, so 9 lost and we're gonna do 19. So 9 and 1 is 10 and 4 and 1 is 5, so that's 15. So $2.70 profits off this trade. This is a good thing. So you see, just as how you could have a winning streak, you could have a. I wouldn't call it a losing streak. I call this one a rally, because a losing streak would imply that you're not winning. But I know for a fact that with this trading method, you have to win. It's like a must to win. So here we sell for 19. Both indicators was under their respective halfway point, so we sold. Right. So next in line would be 41. 19 gives you back $70.71, which is $2.71 profit, because 9 and 1 and 4 and 1, that's 15. 9 and 4 and 2 is 15, right? So yes, that's a dub. We go back down to 2. Always remember, you go back to 2. We restart the entire process again, right? Start from here and then we go over again. So you wait until the purchase deadline, which is 5 seconds. Watch to see if the RSI and the CCI is either above or under their respective halfway points. We sell here because you see RSI and CCI are down, and we move up to 4 and we wait, right? This stop is on, which is good. In the last few videos, we've been struggling to find the ND, but it's okay. Infinite traded method. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes of trading. You trade for 10 more minutes, so we'll stop at, oh my god, I just double sold for 4. It's funny, which is a good thing. Nothing happens on accident. Everything has a reason, everything has a purpose. I was an accidental double click, but is it really accidental? We will see. You know what? Let's call it a video. We'll end on an accidental, quote unquote accidental double click. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with everybody you know. Infinite Trading Method, Part 22. GG.